Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is M. M is for moon. The moon is Earth's natural satellite that lights up the night sky. Did you know? The moon has different shapes. Sometimes it's a big circle, full moon, and other times a crescent, like a smiling banana. M is for monkey. Monkeys are playful animals who love to swing from tree branches. Did you know? Some monkeys use their hands almost like tools to help them find food and play games. M is for money. Money is what people use to buy things like toys and treats. Did you know? Coins and bills come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Each one has a special design. M is for mailbox. A mailbox is like a treasure chest where letters and packages arrive. Did you know? Mailboxes help deliver messages from far away, so you can get surprises in the mail. M is for milk. Milk is a yummy and healthy drink that helps our bodies grow strong. Did you know? Milk comes from cows, and sometimes other animals, and is used to make delicious things like cheese and yogurt. What's your favorite M word? Let's trace the uppercase letter M. First, place your finger on the number 1. Move your finger down the dotted line. Now place your finger on the number 2. Move your finger down the dotted line. Next, place your finger on the number 3. Move your finger up the dotted line. Finally, place your finger on the number 4. Move your finger down the dotted line. You did it! You can pause the video and trace it again and again.
Hooray!
Parents, use this guide to help your child write the uppercase M with pencil and paper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.